Number 1. The Statue of Liberty was a gift from the people of France to the United States. Number 2. The statue was designed by French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi. Number 3. The statue is officially titled Liberty Enlightening the World and depicts Libertas. Number 4. The statue stands on Liberty Island in New York Harbor and can be reached by ferry. Number 5. The statue is made of copper sheets, which have oxidized over time, giving it the iconic green color it has today. Number 6. The height of the Statue of Liberty from the base to the tip of the torch is approximately 305 feet, 93 meters. Number 7. The statue's crown has 7 rays, symbolizing the 7 continents and seas of the world. Number 8. The statue underwent a major restoration in the 1980s, including the replacement of its internal iron framework. Number 9. Inside the statue, there is a spiral staircase with 354 steps that visitors can climb to reach the crown. Number 10. The Statue of Liberty has been featured in numerous films, TV shows and works of art, becoming an iconic symbol of American culture.